episode of Tutorials. Malapit na ang Christmas. This episode, we are going to transform this to this. So, marami na tayong mga Christmas parties. And sometimes, yung mga Christmas parties na yan, like, bigla-bigla na lang and you don't have enough time to do your makeup. Tapos, galing ka lang sa labas or sa trabaho or sa school. So, if you want to transform your natural, everyday makeup look into a glam holiday or glam Christmas party look, without further ado, let's get started. I don't have foundation on. I just have my concealer. Tapos, yung basic na konting contour or bronzer, konting blush, and then konting highlight, which is nag-fade na kasi ilang oras ko lang suot ang makeup na to. And also, konting brows, and sobrang liit na wing. Tapos, yung basic ko na isang color eyeshadow, and then lip tint. One great technique to do in transforming your look is to get a really nice coverage powder foundation. This one is the Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One Foundation. If you are going out at night, you need something na walang SPF para wala siyang flashback. This will add up coverage to your look or to your skin without making it cakey. If you have dry skin like me, don't worry kasi yung last step natin, we will melt everything together para hindi powdery ang skin. Next step is to retouch your bronzer, your blush, and your highlight. Good thing if you are on the rush for something like this na occasion or Christmas party, it's better for you to have something like this, yung ganitong product na contour kit na like this. Bobby Cosmetics Insta Runaway Ready. So, you have bronzer, you have blush, you have contour, and you have highlight. Step is just retouching and re-intensifying your contour or your cheek makeup. Contour really does help to glam up the look. If you are wearing everyday makeup look, just put on great amount of contour. Like, contour your cheeks, like define your cheeks. It will make everything glamorous. Makeup or the face makeup, we are going up to our eyebrows to make sure to fill out the gaps, fill out everything, just retouch your brows. I'm using this Mumuso Natural Smooth Eyebrow Pencil. So for this, I'm using my Dr. Mascara Fixer. This is what I use as a brow gel. Now let's move on to the eyes. So on my eyes, I just have like one neutral color eyeshadow. It's matte eyeshadow, and then I put a little bit of wing and just mascara. I'm going to glam these eyes up using eyeshadows and false. Choose different colors or different theme that will give you the vibe or the holiday vibe. You can use like gold glittery eyeshadows and just red lips, but for me, I'm going to use gold and green eyeshadows. Shade, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Au Naturel Bare Necessities palette because I think ito yung may perfect gold, like Christmas gold. time, you don't need to put on eyeliner. But if you want to put on eyeliner and kulang kayo sa time, I suggest you using this kind of eyeliner. Like, ano sila, parang felt tip. This is from Xoxo. This is 99 pesos, guys. And it's really, really good. Lasting, and it's really easy to apply. So, for me, I'm just gonna put a little wing. Are done with the lashes, and diba kitang-kita na nag-iba agad yung eyes natin. Now, let's move on to the lips, and I would suggest for Christmas or holiday season, you can choose from warm or really like terracotta lip, or like a red vampy lips, or like a nude, or yung perfect nude for you. Go with the nude that I really think suits me well. And this is from Fashion 21. This is in the shade bronze. Our last step is to melt everything together. Since hindi na tayo naglagay ng liquid foundation, the next step is to melt all the powders down, especially if dry skin kayo. It would be better for you to use setting spray, but for me, I always use face mist, and this is from Fresh Skin Lab, yung collagen face mist nila. Great setting spray or face mist, hindi mo na kailangan magpapaypay masyado kasi this one, hindi fine yung mist nito, but I really love the formula. Now you have transformed your everyday makeup look into a glamorous Christmas party look. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Medyo nauubusan na talaga ako ng content, and ang hirap maging old school YouTuber and maging newbie YouTuber kasi sobrang parang yung mga tutorials is sobrang outdated na ngayon. So, I am trying my best to create and innovate content. So, if you have Christmas parties and you're on the go and kagagaling mo lang sa work, kagagaling mo lang sa school, so I hope this video helped you in transforming your everyday, no foundation makeup look into a glamorous Christmas party look. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell so you will get notified every time mag-upload ako ng new video. And if you want to see like 60 seconds or 50 seconds makeup tutorial, I have it on my Instagram and my Facebook, so do follow me here, or here. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and God bless you all. Bye!